Hey guys, welcome back to another banger. This is Yusuf Jamal from Jamal Talk, and I am one of the largest ad creative agencies, UGC ad creative agencies for TikTok ads, Instagram ads, YouTube short ads. It's called Jamal Talk. So here's what I tell my team, and here's kind of literally how we crush it for our clients. Um, and by crushing it, I mean actually make them profitable on their ads. So they put our creatives, they're getting CPCs around 0 to 30 cents, CTRs between 1 to 10. And yes, we in some clients we have gotten between 7 to 10 CTRs, which is pretty amazing. And also making their ads profitable if they have a good product market fit and they have a good funnel. But this is the kind of like we had a meeting last week, and this is what I told my clients and how you can actually do creatives that really convert. Okay, so people think that if you do like UGC creatives and you put them on TikTok, they're gonna convert, and it's a very, very, very big misconception. And the truth is, they don't. If they don't have those three elements, and if you're not gonna stay till the end of this video, you're not gonna know those three elements. That's gonna literally boost your conversions, literally like boost your conversions if you do not know those three elements. Okay, and you're not also gonna get tons of actually bonuses that I'm gonna provide at the end of the video. So make sure to subscribe right now, like this video, and actually go ahead and watch it. So block any distractions, go ahead watch. So instead of Jamal Talk, we actually do creatives that really convert, and here's kind of how we do them. So, and this is a brand that we're actually doing creatives in. So I'm gonna play this video, two videos, and you're gonna actually notice the difference. And after you're gonna watch these videos, what you're gonna notice is what I'm gonna tell like what is converting and what is not. So I'm gonna play the first video and then the second video after the first one.
If you just know you're that girl, you just have no choice but to be that girl. And I feel like I'm that girl.
What if you don't wake up feeling like that girl? How do you be that girl?
You need to go back to sleep and wake back up again.
So this is the first video. This is the second video.
I don't know about you, but I've just tried to be healthier this year. A really big part of that is drinking more water. And it's so hard, right? Because you have the big water bottle, you don't want to carry it around, or the water bottle's too small and you have to refill it 1,000 times. Juggy solves that problem. This water bottle holds about a half a gallon of water, and it is completely portable. So the best part is this strap right here. So when I'm running to the gym or running errands, like I'm about to go get my hair done, I just throw it over my shoulder and take it with, and it's such a great, cute reminder to keep drinking water, to keep my skin glowing, and to feel overall healthy. And right now, there's 20% off of the starter bundle, so of course I had a mix and match. So I have my little water bottles here and the sleeves, which I can pop on and off to just create different color combinations. And the Juggy bits are so cute, you can just pop them in with little reminders like Mindset and Driven. You can grab them right now for 20% off on the website.
You see how there's a difference between the first video and the second video. And this is the difference what I'm talking about. This is the three elements, okay? So the three elements between the first video, the second video is performing way better than the first video. And that because there's a three elements. The first element is actually hooking the audience in. So between the first 0 to 5 seconds, what you want to do is actually hook the audience in. So let's do another example. So here's 10 websites you didn't know. That's, for example, for Legion. Here's 10 websites you didn't know about that exists. Here's 10 websites that feels illegal to know, but they're legal. You see how those headlines that really convert? Sorry, keeps the actually audience attracted to watch it to the end video. So that's the first element. Now, there's the middle element, which actually consists of a lot of things. So after the hooking the audience up, you have to actually keep the retention high. And this is what we call by product demonstration. So you got to actually show what your service and product does, even though it seems a little bit more like an ad. Okay, but I wouldn't even convert on an ad if I didn't know what the product and service does. Trust me, we've been on the data. We've seen it on dashboards and ads. We split tested A/B. A, which is the first video I showed you to. The second B, which is the second video. The second video converted because there was a product demonstration. It really showed how the product worked, and that's how they actually even go viral by actually showing how the product worked, doing an unboxing, doing a daily or a night routine, showing literally how the product works. For example, this is called Juggy. The features that it has, like fills like more than a gallon of water. I don't know. I missed the details. That's what we do inside of Jamal Talk. We literally produce creatives that actually resonate with the audience. So we save you all of the actually hassle. Because once you actually get on board, we actually get all the data from your brand by filling an onboarding form, and that's it from you. There's no other commitment by actually us having that onboarding form. Then we're actually producing creatives that really resonate. Okay, and we're gonna go 10 miles by producing creatives that really convert for your audience. This is what we do. So in the middle of the video, this is what we do for our clients. There's a product demonstration. And the end of the video is a call to action. And the best call to action is actually an incentive to clicking. So the best incentives is actually discounts. That's number one. Okay. The second thing is your offer, your irresistible offers. What are your actual offers? Is a buy one, get one free. This is the call to action, not just like a simple click shop now. But I don't know. There's some reason you actually there's some actual reasons they have to click. So that's what really actually attracts them to click the shop now button, because there's an irresistible offer behind it. That's what we do for our clients. So I'm not gonna make this video too long, but this is what we do inside of Jamal Tech. So if you're an agency or a brand looking to actually source creatives for a brand that really convert, if our creatives, and inside of Jamal Tech we have a guarantee, if our creatives don't convert, okay, you don't pay us, plus we will work for free. Okay, so this is kind of our offer, and right now this week we're running an offer, exclusive offer. It's like if you stay for 2 consecutive months, you get a one month free, which is pretty amazing. If you stay, for example, for 6 months, you get 4 months free. So that's pretty amazing. Like getting 4 months free, that's about 100 creatives for free, literally from us. So if you're interested in actually sourcing creatives for your brand, and you find this video helpful, go ahead and message me on Facebook, link in description. You can even schedule a call below, link in description. Message me on Facebook here. Just go ahead, a simple message, and even join my TikTok advertising group, which is here. I'll also link it in the description. So it's about 5.3K members, and it also has a lot of value. So again, I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe to actually receive more bangers, and I'll see you in the next one.